Okay, this topic is univariate data. Univariate data are data with one variable. For example, if we said, what's the height of all students in grade 10? What's the weight of all students in grade 8? That's an example of, they are two examples of univariate data. With univariate data, we have measures of central tendency. They're summary statistics that measure the middle or centre of the data. The measures of central tendency are the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean is the average of a set of data. The median is the middle term in an ordered set of data. That's very important, ordered. And the mode is the most frequent. So for the data listed above, I'll do an example of mean, median, and mode. So how we find all of those. So we'll start with the mean. So for the mean is written like this, and it is the sum of all the scores divided by the number of scores. So what we do is we add, so for the sum of all the scores, we add 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So we add those all up and then we divide it by the number of scores. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 scores, so we divide it by 8. So then, once we add up the top, that adds up to 33. So the mean is equal to 33 divided by 8, which is 4.125. So that's our mean or our average. The median is the middle term in an ordered set of data. So I'm going to write my scores down again. 6, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. And I've forgotten one. 3, 4. Sorry, I just noticed above I didn't add the 5 there. So I forgot to write the 5 there, but I did include the 5 in the 33, so I was just missed writing the 5 there. So, writing my 8 scores down. There are my 8 scores. So to find the median, I need to put those scores in order from lowest to highest. So 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Now there's 8 scores. I'm just going to check I haven't forgotten to write one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. There's 8 scores. There's 2 ways to do median. Okay. For median, the median is it's the n plus 1 divided by 2 score. So in other words, there's 8 scores. So 8 plus 1 divided by 2 is the median is the 4.5 half term. So what I do, here's the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Here's our fifth term. The median was at the 4.5 term. So what would be in between these two? Well, they're both 4. So the median is 4. That's one way to do it. The second way to do it, if I write these scores back down in order, and because our list is not too long, this second way is really pretty quick. You cross off the lowest with the highest, the lowest with the highest, the lowest with the highest. We're left with 2 terms. So the median score is the term that's in the middle here. They're both 4, so the median term is 4. I find this a really good way to do it, crossing off one from each end. You know, if there's not too many scores. If there's something like 50 scores, that's a lot of crossing off, and therefore the nth plus 1 score may be the way to go. Alright, let's look at the mode. So the mode, if we look back above here, the mode is the most frequent score. It's very handy to look at them when we've written them down in order. So here's our scores in order. And which score occurs the most often? Well, the answer here is 4 because there's 3 4s, so the mode is 4. Let's say, though, we had an extra score added. So let's say that this is what our list looks like. There is 3 4s and 3 5s. That's okay, you can have 2 modes. So the mode is 4 and 5.